Welcome to Outlaw Creations. Today we're putting three popular skid steers head to head to see which one really comes out on top. We'll be comparing the Kubota SSV75, the Bobcat S650, and the Cat 262D3. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each machine based on real-world use, power, comfort, reliability, and overall performance. And at the end, I'll tell you exactly which one I chose and why. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Kubota SSV75. Kubota is known for reliability, and this machine definitely follows that reputation. Pros. One of the biggest advantages is its simple, rugged design. Less electronics means fewer things to go wrong. It's got a strong hydraulic system and a very dependable Kubota diesel engine. Maintenance is straightforward, which is a big plus if you like working on your own equipment. Cons. On the downside, the cab isn't the most comfortable compared to others in its class. Controls feel a bit dated, and visibility can be limited depending on the attachment. It also lacks some of the advanced features you'll find in newer machines. Overall, it's a solid, no-frills workhorse, but let's see how it stacks up against the competition. Next up, we've got the Bobcat S650, one of the most recognized skid steers out there. Pros. Bobcat really shines when it comes to operator comfort. The controls are smooth and intuitive, especially if you're used to Bobcat equipment. It also has excellent visibility and a wide range of compatible attachments. This machine feels refined and easy to operate. Cons. However, maintenance can be a bit more involved compared to the Kubota. Some users report higher operating costs over time, and while it's a strong machine, it doesn't quite match the raw hydraulic performance of higher-end models. Still, it's a very balanced machine, but now let's take a look at the Cat. Finally, we've got the Cat 262D3, and this is where things get interesting. Pros. This machine stands out with its powerful hydraulic system, especially if you're running high-flow attachments. The ride quality is excellent, thanks to Cat's advanced suspension system. The cab is one of the most comfortable in the industry. Great visibility, modern controls, and a premium feel overall. It's built for performance and long days on the job. Cons. On the flip side, it can come with a higher upfront cost, and with more advanced systems, repairs can be more expensive if something does go wrong. But performance-wise, it's hard to beat. So after comparing all three, the Kubota, the Bobcat, and the Cat, here's my final decision. I chose the Cat 262D3. For me, it came down to overall performance, comfort, and hydraulic power. When you're running demanding attachments and spending long hours in the machine, those things really matter. The Kubota is incredibly reliable, and the Bobcat is a great all-around machine. But the Cat just checked the most boxes for what I needed. If you're serious about productivity and operator comfort, it's tough to beat. Thanks for watching Outlaw Creations. See you in the next one.
There he goes, it's a working man. He's trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out.